welcome to Boomhauer69 channel, and today Boomhauer is going to talk about the air fryer that I use. This right here is the Dash Compact Air Fryer. You can get this off of Amazon for around $44, so around 50 bucks you can get one of these compact. If I remember right, this is the 2 quarts model. The link I will put in the description will be for one that's 2 quarts, and I think this is the same one, so I tried to find one match. I bought this. This was bought in a couple years ago, about maybe 5 years ago at the most, maybe 2-3 years ago, and had it ever since. But here's what the little tray looks like on the inside. Now, the only maintenance I ever had to do with this air fryer is just obviously clean it after every use, but the handle I have in the past had to tighten the screw down and tighten down the handle, because the handle had over time became loose, because this is an older thing. So once in a while I do have to, from time to time, tighten down the screw to tighten down the handle. Here's the inside of the air fryer. That's what the inside looks like. The top, the bottom. Here's the back side of the air fryer. Here's the bottom with the information on it. Here's what the cord looks like and how long it is. It has a pretty standard long cord. It's a 2-prong cord. Here's your control knob and the temperatures it goes up to. The maximum temperature is 400 degrees. And then the lowest is 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Maximum timer on this is 30 seconds, so 30 minutes, not seconds, sorry about that. But 30 minutes, you can cook for 30 minutes. Obviously, you gotta cook something longer for 30 minutes, maybe an hour in this. What you do is just simply, when it dings, turn the knob again for another 30 to get your hours worth of food. But most of the food I cook only takes about 20 minutes anyway, so I just turn this timer to the 20 mark, and then after a while, boom, my food is cooked and stuff. But it's real simple, basic, easy to use. That's what I like about this Dash. And if in the event this was ever to finally go out and stuff, you can see from the multiple views and where the paint is flaking off the handle there from multiple grabs. The handle is nice and sturdy. I've only a few times had to tighten down the screw that holds your handle in place and stuff. So I haven't had to do that much. I just had to do it a few times, because this is an older machine, and over time, grabbing it and stuff, the handle has become loose, and it was just simply the Phillips screw, just taking a Phillips screwdriver and tightening it back down a little bit. And that's the only quirky thing I had happen with this. As far as it working, like plugging this in and cooking the food, it cooks food fine. So again, tightening down this handle is the only issue I ever had with this and stuff. And I like how the legs are and the feet are real nice, and it's nice and sturdy, so you don't gotta worry about it, It's, when you have it on your counter, it's nice sturdy. You don't gotta worry about it trying to knocking it over or anything. It stays right in place, really sturdy. It's really good working. I've had good luck with this. Again, I've had it for a couple years now, maybe even 5 years. I forgot when it was purchased, but all in all, this Dash air fryer it's been a really good air fryer and stuff. I have no complaints about it. It's one I use quite regularly and stuff. And I like this, how compact it is. It's not so big and bulky, and it don't take up a whole lot of room on a counter. If you leave this on your kitchen counter, or you put it in a cupboard somewhere, that's what I like about it and stuff. And then plus, being it's of smaller size, I don't have to worry so much about this taking up a whole lot of electricity. So if ever in the near future I decide to switch over to solar electricity, this would definitely be something I I would use if I had the right kind of solar setup and stuff, because being this is kind of smaller, compact, it's going to use up a lot less electricity versus a big old bulky air fryer. But yeah, that's the one I use, the Dash one. I will find an Amazon link, and I'll put an Amazon link to one that's close to this, which I did find, so I'll put that down below where to get them, because the company that made this Dash, they're still making air fryers and stuff. The company that makes these, they're selling these on Amazon, again, for $44, I noticed, so I'll put a link in the description so you can see the updated price in case you are watching this video months from now or years from now and stuff. I'll make sure to put an Amazon link in the description where you can see the updated price and stuff. But yeah, it's been a good air fryer. It cooks food. I haven't had no problems with it. You know, obviously if you monitor it and you watch your food and you check it out every so often, your food, you won't have to worry about it burning anything, because as far as this goes, my food's cooked perfectly in it, and I have no complaints about it. What I always do is on this is I always just leave it at the maximum 400, plug it in, and then turn my timer to whatever I need. Sometimes it's usually what I do. A lot of times I'm just that kind of person, and then check it, you know, from time to time to make it cook faster and stuff. But yeah, maximum again temperature is 400 degrees. They have them 320 degrees, 250 degrees Fahrenheit, and then 170 degrees Fahrenheit. And these are all in Fahrenheit because I live in the United States of America. So I don't know what that would be in. But also, it has little indicator lights to show you when it's on and when it's cooking and when it's done and stuff. That's what those little indicator lights. One is just showing you that it's on. One is showing you that it's heating up and stuff. But it's been a good air fryer. I have no complaints about it. So if you're wondering what kind of air fryer I use, I simply use this one here, the Dash compact air fryer, the Dash. That's the one I right now been mainly using. I have two. Another one is big and bulky, and I don't use that one much because I'm more using this little compact one since it doesn't take up a whole lot of electricity. So the Dash electric air fryer here is the one I use a lot for my cooking needs and stuff. So if you like this sort of content, give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down and stuff. Love hearing from you people and stuff. And if there's another compact air fryer that you use, if you're somebody that lives off grid, you know, and you're living on solar energy and you're off grid and you found another and you use another brand of compact air fryer, you know, comment below what ones you use and stuff, and definitely check them out, because I'm always looking for new products and different things to review and stuff. So hope you all have a good day. Don't forget to share this video with everyone you know, and hope you all have a good day, and thank you for watching Boomhauer69's YouTube channel.